Using less energy without compromising on performance, this Hotpoint washer dryer is a perfect addition to busy households. Sensor Dry uses sensors to monitor the moisture and temperature levels inside the dryer and stops the machine once your laundry is dry. Your clothes will never be over-dried and you'll save energy. The Anti Allergy system is a combination of high-temperature technology with extra rinses to neutralise and remove 99.9% of major allergens, providing great relief for allergy sufferers so you can wear your clothes comfortably without any irritation. The wash and dry 45 cycle means you can wash and dry a small load in under an hour. Ideal for when you're in a hurry and need that particular outfit last minute. With lots of handy features, this Hotpoint washer dryer will make your laundry days easier.